When you link to an Excel file, Access creates a new table, often referred to as a linked table. The linked table shows the data from the source file, but it does not actually store the data in the database. You can link to all the data from a worksheet or link to a named range that includes only the cells that you want to view. Open Excel and open the worksheet. Select the range of cells that you want to link. Right-click within the selected range and then click on Define Name. In the New Name dialog box, specify a name for the range in the name box and click on OK. Zip field's data type is integer. You can see alphanumeric data in zip field in some rows. Let's see how Access handles invalid data. Close the file. On the External Data tab in the Import and Link group, click on New Data Source. Select From File and then Excel from the shortcut menu. The Get External Data Excel spreadsheet wizard opens. In the file name text box, type the name of the source Excel file or click on Browse to display the file open dialog box. Browse to the location and choose the source Excel file. Click on Open. Select Link to the data source by creating a link table. Click on OK. The link spreadsheet wizard starts and leads you through the import process. Click on Show Worksheets for a list of worksheets. Click on Show Named Ranges for a list of named ranges. You can link to only one worksheet or named range. Select either the worksheet or the named range that you want to link and then click on Next. If the first row of the source worksheet or range contains the field names, select first row contains column headings. Click on Next. Specify a name for the destination table. Click on Finish. Access attempts to create the linked table. If the table is successfully created, Access displays the message Finished Linking Table. Access creates the linked table customers. In the navigation pane, the linked table is shown with an arrow and an Excel icon. Move the cursor onto the linked table name to see the source database. Open the linked table in Datasheet view to ensure that the data looks correct. Notice that in the zip field where there was invalid data, #num error is displayed. Any changes that you make to the source file are automatically reflected in the linked table. Open the Excel, fix the error by adding valid data in the zip field. Go back to the linked table, see how that is reflected in the linked table. However, the contents and structure of a linked table in Access is read-only. It cannot be changed. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.